Okay, so how do you become rich and how do you become a money magnet? Very interesting question. A lot of people want to know how to make money, how to attract money. You basically need to change the vibration that you carry in your aura. All right. If you have subconscious thoughts of poverty, of lack, of need, and of scarcity, that's what you attract in your life. And if you start having prosperity consciousness, then you start to attract wealth, money, and all of the finer things in life. So it's, I know that you would have the prosperity energy if you got the prosperity. So it's kind of like a catch 22 situation. So my suggestion is you got to cheat the whole energy in the universe. And how do you cheat the energy? You put a lot of things on you that make you attract that kind of energy. So you can wear an amulet, you can wear the money spray, cleanse your aura with BMR salt every single day. You can get green eyes. Okay, I'm joking. I'm just trying some bit thing. You can wear a money amulet, you can wear money spray, listen to the money frequency on my YouTube channel, listen to the abundance gates, the wealth frequency. And last but not the least, money, money, money. What do? You can wear a citrine bracelet and that will help you attract money. Happy money attraction.